What does ex parte mean? Have you ever wondered what the term ex parte really means, especially in a legal context? Let's break it down together. Ex parte is a Latin phrase that translates to from one party. In the world of law, it refers to situations where actions or decisions are made by one party without the other party being present or notified. This can happen during court hearings or when a lawyer communicates with a judge without the other side being involved. Now, why is this important? Well, ex parte actions can raise questions about fairness. In legal ethics, it is generally seen as improper for a lawyer to talk to a judge without the other party's lawyer being there. This kind of one-sided communication can violate principles of fairness and due process. In civil procedure, ex parte motions are requests made to a court without informing the opposing party. These motions are often used in emergencies, like asking for a temporary restraining order. Courts are careful with these motions because leaving one party out can infringe on their constitutional right to due process, which is protected by the 5th and 14th Amendments. Now, let's connect this to the American Civil War. The term ex parte gained special importance during this time, especially in the case of Ex Parte Vallandigham. This case involved Clement Vallandigham, a former congressman who openly criticized President Abraham Lincoln's administration. Vallandigham was arrested by military authorities and tried by a military tribunal without the usual civilian court process. The Supreme Court reviewed this case and looked at the limits of military power and civilian rights during wartime. This highlighted the tension between military actions taken without proper judicial safeguards and the constitutional protections that civilians should have. During the Civil War, ex parte proceedings often reflected the unique legal and political challenges of the time. Military authorities sometimes acted without the usual judicial protections, raising significant questions about due process and civil liberties. So, when you hear the term ex parte, remember that it signifies actions taken by one party without the other party's involvement. This concept played a vital role in shaping legal discussions during the American Civil War, especially in cases like Ex Parte Vallandigham, where the balance between military authority and individual rights was fiercely debated.